Hello everyone, today I will show you how to print multiple pages in one slide. So let's go to the PowerPoint slide. Already I have a slide, PowerPoint slide. If I want to print this slide with 4 slides in one page, just it's the common option. Just click the pin file option, or for print just press Ctrl P. Okay. Just I'm clicking the file option, then click print. If I want to print multiple pages in one slide, in left side just click full page slide. Here we are seeing the 1 slide, 2 slide, 4 slide, 4 slide horizontally, and I want to print 4 slide horizontal. Okay, click. Actually it will be done, but by my choice is zero margin, with zero margin. But if you print this slide, or I am print this slide, it will use a lot of white spacing problem, just look like this. But I want to print this type of output with 4 slide. Okay, so what I'll do it. Okay, so in left side 4 slide horizontal, click here. In pin layout click full page slide. Okay, in the printer option click the pin properties. Here the lot of option: quick setup, main, page setup, maintenance. So click page setup option. Here click page size A4. In landscape, but I want to print 4 slide in one page. So in page layout click page layout. In a specify option you will specify how many slide you want to print in one page. Click here specify option. Okay, 2 page print, but I want to print 4 page print in one page horizontally, but in horizontally from left to right. Okay, what you saw it. But if you want to print with border, just click border. But if you don't know it, okay, don't need to paste border. Okay, in below click OK. But in output option already we have seen the in one page, but so don't worry. Just if you print 1 to 4 page, just slide option 1 to 4, just click here. Just in click option, print option, click it. Then after few seconds or few minutes you will get this type of output with one A4 size. Okay, so see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.